head shards. Kevin must have gotten Grandpa.
Oh, you think? Now the question is, where's he going? Time to get some answers.
This'll be over before you know it. I'm sorry, am I too fast for you? Too slow, buddy.
These security protocols need everything done at once. I wonder if you can use Accelerate to fool the system. I don't think you can get past this without Cannonbolt.
Boy, do you live in slow motion.
Kevin's heading east. Hurry up and get after him.
There's no record of these creatures on the Plumber computers. It must be an uncategorized off-world species.
Steel right!
the heat.
Let's take this to a higher gear.
Don't get frustrated, Ben. Remember all the forms you have available to you, especially that speedy one. Too slow, buddy. The Thornhound appears to become even deadlier as it matures.
You just got splatted like a bug on a windshield.
I burn like a ring of fire.
Check for ramps in your area. Looks like Cannonbolt could help here.
Uh-oh. I got Grandpappy. Now what you gonna do? You may have beaten me, but it doesn't matter. You're finally gonna pay, Tennyson. You and everyone else on this stupid planet.
Oh yeah? Well, next time, why don't you try picking on someone born in the same century as you?
No, wait! Don't let them take me back! Save me! Tennyson!
Oh man, just when I thought I'd lost all sympathy for that jerk, he meets a fate that he didn't even deserve.
I don't get it. Where are all these null void portals coming from?
I've got a theory, but first we need to be ready to face the proof. This problem is bigger than any threat we've faced, and we're short-handed. We've got to be...
Hey, listen to this.
The strange plant forms continue to spread all across the Northwest. Scientists believe it to be alien in nature. Stay indoors and avoid the infected areas at all costs.
Guess where we're headed?
I'm guessing it's not back to the chocolate factory or the video arcade. Stupid alien plant life.